arbitrationagreements.org. Welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the meaning of arbitration. But before we go into detail about what arbitration means, please give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about important dispute resolution topics that can help you and your company maintain happy customers while keeping expenses low. Arbitration is the process of resolving a dispute between two or more parties through an impartial third party, known as an arbitrator. In arbitration, the arbitrator listens to both sides of the argument and makes a decision that is legally binding. So, in simpler terms, arbitration is a way of resolving a conflict without having to go to court. It's a form of alternative dispute resolution that can be used in a variety of situations, such as labor disputes, business disagreements, or even family law matters. Let us say two employees are having a disagreement about a work-related issue. They might choose to try to resolve the issue through arbitration instead of going to court. This is often a quicker and less expensive option than going to court. It can also be a more private and confidential process, as opposed to having a court case that is open to the public. So, who is an arbitrator and how are they chosen? An arbitrator is a neutral third party who has been trained to hear disputes and make decisions based on the facts presented to them. Usually, both parties will agree on an arbitrator to hear their case. This ensures that the arbitrator is impartial and not biased toward either side. Once an arbitrator has made a decision, both parties are legally bound to follow it. This means that the decision is final, and there is no right of appeal. While arbitration can be a useful tool for resolving disputes, it is important to note that it may not be suitable for every situation. For example, if there is a power imbalance between the parties, such as in cases of employment discrimination or harassment, arbitration may not be the best option. So that's a brief overview of what arbitration means. It's a way to resolve disputes outside of court, using a neutral third party to make a decision that is legally binding. It can be an extremely useful tool for resolving conflicts quickly and efficiently. Now, what do you think about arbitration? Do you see it as a resource that could help you or your company in the future? Let us know in the comments section right now. To learn more information about arbitration and how it can save time and money for individuals and businesses, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. We do not provide legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business want to open a new account or start an arbitration case. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you can receive updates about dispute resolution that can help your company succeed.